Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and it's been a couple days since I've put up a video. I have been just spending a little bit of time with my family, trying to get my house in order and stuff, and it's just been nice, but I have missed doing videos, and so I just wanted to jump on. I'm getting ready to go to work, but I just wanted to jump on and do this little intro. I went to the 99-cent only store. So remember, there's different kinds of 99-cent stores. There's like the little, I just think of them like the little Chinese stores. I'm not trying to be mean, but where there's like, they're called like 98-cent stores, 99-cent and flowers. And then there's like the 99-cent only store, which is like a franchise kind of thing. So I went to the 99-cent only store, the franchise store, and I did a walkthrough, and oh my gosh. So remember, not everything there is like, it's kind of like a Dollar Tree plus. So some stuff's $1, some stuff's different prices, but oh my gosh. Remember, Dollar Tree went up to $1.25. And so a lot of their stuff, I did notice a lot had gone up to like $1.49 and stuff, but I still noticed a lot was still at like $1. They say 99 cents, but it's like 99.99 cents. So it's $1, but that's fine. Oh my gosh, you guys, like I found some stuff. I hadn't been in there in so long. I was like, this stuff is amazing. Like I found cups, I found toys, I found party supplies, I found so much stuff, and like decorations. I couldn't believe it. Like yard stuff, flowering stuff. Oh my gosh, like it was insane. And so I'm really hoping I don't get copyrighted, because I was trying to talk louder than I usually do and faster. If you can believe it, I was talking faster than I normally do because I wanted to turn the camera off as fast as possible because their music was so loud in there. Sometimes I think they do it on purpose so that we can't film in there, but whatever. Hopefully it'll come up. Oh, and erasers. I found the cutest little school supplies and stuff. So cute. But anyways, so I'm going to put this haul up actually today because, or not haul, I'm sorry, walk through up today because I haven't had anything up in a while. And then I'm going to, today when I get home, I'm going to do some hauls. And let me tell you, I have a Dollar Tree haul. I have the 99-cent store haul from this video. And then I went to one of the like 90, I think this one's called like 99-cent and silk flower store. I don't know, like one of the kind of Chinese stores, and oh my gosh, like I found the most amazing stuff there. So I'll be doing that haul. I think I have a Walmart haul. I think I have a lot of hauls again. Oh, I know I have a thrift store haul galore. So I did not know, and this is a long intro for this video, but let me just say real quick, I did not know that Goodwill does $1 once a week. So in my town, it's every Thursday. So this last Thursday was the first time I ever went. Oh my gosh, I found like a 100% leather coat for $1, a man's coat that I'm going to give to my father-in-law. I found a coat by Trinidad or something, and it still had the tags on it. And when I looked it up, it's like $149.99 I found for $1. Calvin Klein shirts for $1, like button up for my son. It was insane. Like I was like, oh, I'll be going there again this Thursday. And maybe if they're not too loud, I'll show you guys and I'll take you with me, because let me tell you, my kids, I never find their bottoms, but their shirts for school will be from there. But anyways, guys, enjoy this walkthrough. I hope that everyone is doing great, and I'm going to get back to my every other day videos hopefully very soon. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye. So I went back and forth about whether I should video in the store, and then I thought it's just so amazing that I have to. So this is $2.99. I'm going to talk louder today because the radio, it's table decor. Look at that little like car. It's so cute. And then you guys, this lights up. These are $2.99. Like wait till you see the other stuff that I've already passed that I'm going to show you in a little bit. But there's like little pinatas for $1.99. This strawberry key or tassel for $1.99. The placemats down there are 99 cents, but you guys, they are killing it right now. And then we're gonna come over here, and they have the light up flamingo. Yes, for $1.99. The little pooling gnomes. Let's see, how much are gnomes? At $2.99. They're pretty big, guys. Some fiesta stuff. This one right here totally made me think of Bonnie at Bonbons Bargains or Bonbons Halls. Look at their LED watermelon lights. 10 on there, and they're $3.99. Here are some pineapples. And then just come with me over here and try to ignore the radio. Look at these. Here's the little car. It's a birdhouse, you guys. Let me see. It's $4.99. There's the little car with the flamingo. Here, I'm gonna have to talk fast and loud because of this radio. But here's the little campers. They're all birdhouses, guys. And they have these the little boats, whatever, things on top. Here's this one. It's just a flamingo and it's $2.99. Here's a pineapple. And then moving up here. Oopsie, I'm dropping my basket here. Sorry guys, hold on. And then look at these. The little, I think they're fake. I'm not touching them, but they're like flamingo cactuses. And those are $2.99. And then look at the birds. Huh, the little birds. And the gnomes. OMG, these are only 99 cents, and they are little cactuses, and they're glass, like little glass cactus mason jars. They have them in the yellow, the pink, and they have green back there, but I don't want to have to move them all while you're on camera. 99 cents, you guys. These are 3 of the plastic tumblers, 24 ounces. But you guys, look at the ice cream cones and the popsicles and the cupcakes. Oh my gosh. And then these huge trays for like the watermelon. They're big and they're plastic. Then we have the strawberry. And look at the leaf. The leaf is just, I mean, guys, I haven't been in a long time. I know it's surprising. I haven't been to the store in a long time, but I haven't been to this one. The surfboard lights up $2.99. Palm tree, and flamingo. Okay, so I think they picked the loudest song to try to play right now, so I have to try to be louder than it and talk fast so I don't get copyrighted. Here's this little gnome in the garden decor laying on a leaf. He is $2.49. The toucan laying on one. Okay, so we're gonna try to go fast again, but this is, what does it say, $3.99, and it's a whole ice cream truck that lights up. I can't. And then here's this little guy, $3.99, the Volkswagen thing that lights up. There's the ice creams. These all up here are the thick woods. I'm trying to be really loud in here. That are 99 cents. These are all 99 cents, and they're way bigger compared to the $1.25 ones at the Dollar Tree. Look at this little gnome with his sprinkles. And then they have the little ice cream cones, fans. I'm so sorry, I'm not doing a good job, but guys, they are playing this music like crazy. And then the napkins. And then I think this song is finally gonna end, thank goodness. This is $1.49, but it's double insulated, and it has the gnomes. We have flamingos. We have this that says aloha. I'm gonna try to hurry while this is, yeah. Oh, they just played another one right into it. This one is 99 cents. It's just like a little peach thing. Then we have this little jar thing. That's 99 cents. And then look at all of this decor. So those are shakers that say hello summer. And it's just like so much like ice cream. My hands are shaking because this music is making me so nervous. Look at just all this ice cream decor though. We are between songs, I think, but this, guys, look at this little guy. That's how I feel every day of my life, just eating the ice cream cone. Okay, I think, well, we were between songs, but look at this. It's pretty big, and it's a van thing, cup, like pencil holder. But guys, I had to show you these. Look at this correction tape. It's a unicorn. So the van was $1.99, just so you know, but this is only 99 cents. Are these not cute for $1.99, the correction tape? Look at the little heart office kit, guys. It has 7 pieces for $1.99. It has scissors, staples, the tape dispenser, a stapler, and the container it all goes in, and a little clip. It's blue, but it's so cute. $1.99, and it has the little scissors and everything. And then, guys, these are only 99 cents, I think. Yes, but look at that. If your kid likes soccer, these are so cute. I like those. And then these are animal ones. So, but these soccer balls are just all of it. I wish they had them in basketball. But, oh, and they do have, let's see, here's a 3D Dinosaur Eraser. I think somebody just looked right there. And then, guys, here is a basketball one. I wish I had the smaller ones, but I might get this for my son anyways.